Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at Lunis Ali University of Leader 2 in Algeria. Today, we're going to present our 15th lecture titled What is Artificial Intelligence? AI. So I divided my 15th lecture into the following elements as follows, which is artificial intelligence. What are the types of artificial intelligence? Career opportunities in artificial intelligence, language activities. So should I use its or thou when referring to a company? And finally, your assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is artificial intelligence? AI is an interdisciplinary science with multiple approaches, but advancements in machine learning and deep learning are creating a paradigm shift in virtually every sector of the tech industry. For examples of AI, self-driving cars. Types of artificial intelligence. There are three ways to classify artificial intelligence based on their capabilities rather than types of artificial intelligence. These are stages through which AI can evolve. Narrow AI, artificial general intelligence, super intelligence. Career opportunities in artificial intelligence. AI and ML developer engineer, AI analyst specialist, data scientist, research scientist, product manager, robotics scientist. Language activities. It is a singular possessive pronoun form, while that is a plural possessive pronoun form. Both are correct when talking about a company because it's a collective noun. It's more common to use it's because a company typically takes a singular pronoun form. You can see that with the following sentences. The company will give its opinion on these issues in a few months. The company will issue their dress when they feel ready in a near future. Please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.